I don't know who needs to hear this, but you need to deep clean. It's 2021. Let's get to it. So I'm starting off with my closet. I honestly don't have enough storage space. I have a lot of my business stuff in my closet, and as you can see here, I'm organizing this drawer. This drawer is going to be primarily just for my business supplies. It's the start of the new year. I think it's real important for you to start off on a good note. Starting off with, less baggage, more space, just a clean environment is extremely important right now. So this video is timeless. So obviously, if it's not the beginning of the new year, this is just your sign to go ahead and start cleaning. Get rid of some things. As you can see here, I'm putting up some of my clothes, but I'm gonna be taking these clothes out. These are all the clothes that I'm selling on Poshmark. If you haven't already, definitely go ahead and check out my Poshmark. I'll put that link in the description for you. So some things that's been on my mind lately, like I don't know, I have like a bittersweet feeling about this new year. Like we went through the ringer in 2020. Like for years to come, we're gonna be triggered by the word 2020. And so I'm just really hoping that we can get some relief this year and moving forward. Yeah, it's just been real rough. Some updates on me. I'm still unemployed. Don't tell nobody. I'm just telling y'all so that y'all can watch my journey. But yeah, I'm still looking for one of those things that you call a job. But I did recently launch my own business, which I kind of feel like me losing my job was preparing me for the next season, of entrepreneurship. And so that's one thing that's been really concerning me. I just made myself a manifesting pillar candle. So I'm going to be lighting that on Sunday and just, staying focused, keep applying. But it is something that's been bringing me down. But I always like to try to find something positive for each negative. One thing that I'm really excited about is the fact that I'm at darn near 100 subscribers. And I don't think y'all understand, like I'm really appreciative of everyone who's watching my videos, commenting. I'm getting so much support. And, I'm just now becoming more consistent with my channel. And so I've gained 60 subscribers since I became more consistent. So thank y'all so much. This has been one thing that's been, making me hopeful for this upcoming year. So this is just my closet here, just showing y'all. And here I'm taking a lot of the stuff out of these bins that I have and getting rid of a lot of stuff, like just throwing away all kinds of things. So sometimes that's what you just got to do. You got to purge. Why are you, coming into the new year with a bunch of stuff that you don't need? So yeah, I'm gonna just chill back and relax with y'all. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.